I'm Reverend Debbie Rhinesmith. I'm the pastor at Fairlawn West United Church of Christ, the community that grabbed the inspiration for Akron Safety Town and brought it to life. With the help, of course, of lots of community partners, the police department, the fire department, but especially Akron Public Schools, which has been a fabulous partner in this entire effort, facilitating that process, letting us use the buildings and also helping to promote Akron Safety Town so that we can reach out to as many children as possible.
Hello, my name is Officer Lori Natko. I work for the Akron Police Department. I work in community relations, and basically what that means is I am able to go out into the community, engage with the public, and develop relationships with the public.
Good job! Yeah, he's a police officer. Come on, Poet. Over this way.
We're here to teach the kids about safety and the variety of obstacles or challenges that they may face in their life, and how to be safe when they face those challenges.
So you can get what Officer Natko has for you. Get in your line. You can tie it around your arm, around your leg. Let's say green group. Let's get into our line. There you go.
This around. Like a jacket. There you go. How's that feel?
Heavy.
I know. How that is it? Are you able to move it? Are you good?
It's 1,000 pounds.
It's 1,000 pounds? Can you run?
But another reason that I'm here, and a more important reason, in my opinion, is develop relationships with the young kids.
Then we gotta hold this.
He looks like Darth Vader.
That's how we look. You're ready for battle. Could you imagine wearing that all day?
In this day and age, police and fire are often looked upon negatively by the community, or we are struggling with our image, and we're trying to improve that image and develop those positive role models and those positive relationships with the young kids. This way we feel when they're out in the community and maybe something happens where they need help, they'll be more apt to reach out to the police and fire for that help.
Is that what we're going to say to people?
And we're just here to develop those relationships and build a better community.
They learn about what it is to be safe in a variety of ways. How to approach a dog properly, and when not to approach a dog, all manner of things.
We don't beat our dogs, we don't hit our dogs, we're not mean to our dogs to make them do what we want. We do everything that we do is a game, everything that we do is a toy. I play tug with him, I hide his toy, he goes and finds his toy, we play tug. So they're not mean, they're not vicious. One thing that all dogs have in common is they will all bite.
This is a fake gun. Can you believe it?
No.
And it's black. But you guys said real guns are black, right?
Yeah. Well,
let me tell you this.
What does look like?
You guys know that this one is fake, but there are people out there that are actually making guns that are real that look like this. Yeah. So you can't always go by how a gun looks, okay? This could be a real gun. All right? And then this one, everybody said this was what?
Fake.
Fake, okay. You're right. This is a fake gun. It's plastic and there's nothing on it that moves. We use this for training, okay? This is a fake gun, so you guys are right there. But you can't just always assume that a gun is fake because it looks fake. I could pull the trigger either on purpose or an accident, or I could drop it and it could still go off. Okay, so what makes a gun dangerous is when it's in somebody's hands, okay? You need to be very careful, and that's why when you find one, you don't touch it, okay? So right now we're going to watch a video by my friend Eddie Eagle talking about gun safety, okay? And in this video he's going to sing a song. I want you guys to think about the words to this song and try to remember it, okay? Remember the song. Stop, don't touch, run away.
Tell
the grown-up, very good, teamwork, that was awesome. You guys did a great job.
I was astounded when I read in the newspaper that all of the communities around the city of Akron had safety towns, and Akron did not. And because of that, so many children, more children, were hit by vehicles in the city of Akron. And so I felt really compelled that we not only could do something about it, but we had to do something about it. And it's been a great blessing for our community at Fairlawn West to participate in this, but also to reach out with so many others to help the children in the city of Akron.
Don't miss any stories about the schools you love. Like our page on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more APS All Access.
and we are just completely delighted that we can work with so many wonderful people on behalf of the children of the city of Akron.